be looking at vocabulary that you are going to see when we study the Declaration of Independence. Declaration of Independence. Declaration means to formally announce something, and independence means to be on your own. So the Declaration of Independence is a document announcing that the colonies were coming independent. They were self-proclaiming or announcing that they were becoming independent. They were no longer going to answer to England. As you studied earlier, this document was written by Thomas Jefferson. This document was written by Thomas Jefferson. And here's a picture of what the text looks like. Our first vocabulary word is impel. You can see the part of speeches here, the definition, synonyms, and then example of the term used in a sentence. Impel means to force. Impel means to force. Synonyms for impel include push, drive, or provoke. And this example sentence reads, after I received my progress report, I was impelled to study harder. I was impelled to study harder. So if I wanted to practice with one of the synonyms, interchanging that word, after I received my progress report, I was driven to study harder. I was driven to study harder. Okay. Next word is grievance. Grievance is a complaint. Grievance is a complaint. Synonyms include frustration and criticism. The example sentence reads, my mother listed her grievances before she grounded me. My mother listed her grievances before she grounded me. To help you get used to this vocabulary word, you could substitute a synonym to deepen your understanding. My mother listed her frustrations before she grounded me, or my mother listed her criticisms before she grounded me. Next word is unalienable rights. The definition is rights that cannot be taken away. Rights that cannot be taken away. A synonym is natural rights. I exercise an unalienable right when I share my opinion in public. I exercise an unalienable right when I share my opinion in public. Endowed is the next word. Endowed means to be given or provided something. Synonyms could be awarded or bestowed. I was endowed with long brown hair from my mom. I was endowed with long brown hair from my mom. So you can see in this context, it's something I inherited. It's something I inherited. The next word is derive. The next word is derive. Derive means to get. Synonyms could be obtain or receive. Student permission for field trips is derived from guardians. Student permission for field trips is derived from guardians. So this is telling me that student permission is obtained from guardians. So the definition doesn't fit clean there. This word obtained fits perfectly though. It's obtained from guardians. The next word is instituted. The next word is instituted. Means to set up or introduce. And then we have three synonyms here: initiated, created, and started. The uniform policy was instituted in the Salinas Union High School District to help ensure student safety.